Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Peng. I come from China. Welcome to Pcbt, and I'm gonna show you around. Right, first thing I'm gonna show, we're gonna have what are you gonna study here. In Pcbt, we have this tiling class. For the tiling, we mainly study about how to do the tile, which is align them, how to apply adhesive, how to do the grouts, how to finish old tiling area. Okay, now this is my second week. I've been working in the work placements and provided by our Pcbt class. And so far it's going quite well. I'm doing a lot of screening and sometimes tiling. And yeah, it's a good chance for every students that have a great opportunity to practice. Okay, for PCBTs, we have all the equipments for the tiling, including whatever is necessary for tiling, for grout mixing, for everything here. Yeah, speak of tiling, so we have a lot of studies about how to tile a bathtub, and this is the location. Most of the time we are working here to get a bathtub in tiled, and you get a lot of chance to practice here. Okay, this is what I'm talking about, the tiling areas, including the shower area and the bathroom and wherever you want to tile. Okay, that's where we gonna get relaxed between the classes and with our classmates relax a little bit each other and have some fun. Thank you for coming for the PCBT tour, and there is more for yourself to explore. Thank you very much.